Biscuit's Earth Day celebration. Wake up, Biscuit! It's Earth Day! Woof, woof, woof! It's a beautiful spring day, and we have lots to do. We've learned a lot about Earth Day at school, Biscuit. Today, we are going to have a great celebration. Best of all, you can come along. Woof, woof, woof. Let's get ready to go. Woof. On Earth Day, we celebrate ways to take care of our world, Biscuit. Saving water is one way we can help. See, Biscuit? I must turn off the water when I brush my teeth. I don't want to waste a drop. Woof, woof! On Earth Day, it's important to help all creatures big and small, Biscuit. Woof, woof! Sweet puppy, those twigs are just what the birds need to build a nest. We can leave some birdseed too. Woof! Come along, Biscuit. The celebration is about to begin. Woof, woof! We're all going to plant a garden. We can plant flowers, vegetables, and even trees. Woof, woof! That's the way to dig, Biscuit. Woof! With lots of sunshine and water, our seeds will grow and grow. Woof, woof! Good, Biscuit! You found the watering can. You found a wiggly worm, too. Woof, woof! This way, Biscuit. It's time for our cleanup walk. We can pick up paper and litter to keep the woods nice and clean. Woof, woof! Silly puppy, no tugging. Woof, 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 woof. Biscuit, what have you found now? Woof! Oh no, Biscuit, not a big shake. Woof, woof, woof. Funny puppy, you're keeping the pond clean too. Look, Biscuit, I decorated a bag especially for Mom and Dad to carry groceries. They can use it again and again. That's called recycling. Can you tell which bag is mine? Woof, woof. This Earth Day celebration is lots of fun, Biscuit. We can sing songs and share snacks. Woof, woof. We can learn even more ways to keep our planet safe for everyone. Woof, woof. Woof! Wait, Biscuit! Where are you going now? Woof! Woof! Hooray, Biscuit! We can be good helpers on Earth Day. Woof! Woof! And every day. Woof! That was such a nice story. Biscuit's a pretty good helper, don't you think? Can you think of one way that you can help take care of the Earth? And remember that every day is Earth Day. We don't have to wait till today to take care of our Earth.
We can do it every day, all day. Earth Day, Earth Day.
Bye guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I have some really cool Earth Day crafts coming up, so stay tuned for that. I'll leave the link above or down below. I'll see you in my next video.